Remove the original vehicle instrumentation. Unscrew the 6 screws on the back. Remove meter face housing. Remove the back cover. Unscrew. Pre-open the black plastic shell. Press the buckle with the tool. Remove the dash case. On the other side, remove the instrument protective housing in the same manner. Pre-open the black plastic shell. Disassemble the individual parts of the instrument panels and remove them. Remove the meter display. Remove both meter hands. Disassemble the meter motherboard and remove it. The removed motherboard is installed on the back cover of the Kiosh meter. Connect the plug of our products with the back cover of the main board of the original car. Our products and the back cover of the original car should be tight. Connect the cable. Transfer the original car CD player cable USB cable. Mount onto the car. Plug in. Install the LCD instrument on the car. Install the shell. Finally, place the screws. Installation complete.